3, 2, 1.
I can last a lifetime but die every day. What am I? The answer is D, a candle. What ocean does the Amazon River flow into? The answer is A, Atlantic. A student walks to school one morning and notices the grass is wet but the streets are dry. Which of these processes most likely caused the grass to be wet? The answer is A, condensation. What substances, which serve as catalysts, are involved in most of the chemical reactions that take place in organisms? The answer is C, enzymes. How heavy was the largest verified wild Komodo dragon? The answer is C, 365 pounds. What was Sally Field's character in Smokey and the Bandit wearing when the bandit picked her up on the side of the road? The answer is B, a wedding dress and veil. I react violently with water to produce heat and gas. What am I? The answer is D, magnesium. What does the term opportunity cost mean in economics? The answer is D, the benefit from a decision. Which is a source of raw materials? The answer is D, an oil field. What is the chemical element Pa? The answer is A, protactinium. Which car manufacturer was founded by Carl Benz? The answer is D, Tesla. Which fruit grows on a thorny vine? The answer is C, grape. Which river is not a part of the Panama Canal? The answer is C, Chagres River. Which famous U.S. general was shot by one of his own men at the Battle of Chancellorsville on May 10, 1863? The answer is D, General Thomas Stonewall Jackson. Who built the Temple of Jerusalem, also known as the Holy Temple? The answer is C, King Solomon. The muscular system composes what percent of total body weight? The answer is C, 35%, 50%. What is the formula for finding the x-intercept of a linear equation? The answer is A, B/A. What state is achieved when the forward and reverse reactions proceed at equal rates? The answer is A, equilibrium. I'm taken from a mine and put into a fire. I become weaker yet more flexible. What am I? The answer is D, glass. How many towns in the USA have Liberty in their names? The answer is C, 30. I'm the first to greet the dawn, where life begins to awaken. What am I? The answer is C, star. Which of the following is not a primary component of a computer? The answer is D, printer. I store vast libraries but have no bookshelves. What am I? The answer is C, memory card. What is the name of the right side of a sailing ship? The answer is C, starboard. Which philosopher wrote Meditations? The answer is D, Marcus Aurelius. The ability to regulate which is possessed by mammals was an advantage as Earth's climate went through sudden and dramatic changes. The answer is B, body temperature. When did the population of the USA hit the 100 million mark? The answer is B, 1915. I'm plucked with fingers, not struck with a mallet. What am I? The answer is A, guitar. I open cans and turn handles, but I don't walk or talk. What am I? The answer is C, can opener. What fruit is also known as love apple? The answer is A, tomato. I protect the goal, but I can't speak. What am I? The answer is A, goalie glove. I'm a living thing that eats non-living things. What am I? The answer is A, fungus. I'm the box that tells the future through a crystal ball. What am I? The answer is C, mirror. What is the technology behind Google's self-driving cars called? The answer is A, LiDAR. What furniture piece often comes with cushions and is typically used in living rooms? The answer is A, sofa bed. What legendary basketball star does Larry accidentally injure in the series Curb Your Enthusiasm when his outstretched leg trips the player during a game? The answer is A, Shaquille O'Neal. What is the legendary bird with a shiny coat and sharp beak in Greek mythology? The answer is B, harpy. I have a forked tail and am associated with lightning bolts. Who am I? The answer is A, Zeus. Which of the lower 48 states of the USA has the biggest wolf population? The answer is D, Minnesota. The land of the rising sun, known for sushi and tea. Fuji. What am I? The answer is D, Japan. What type of map projection is used for small areas to avoid distortion? The answer is A, nomic projection. I have a hard shell and live in the sea, but I'm not a tortoise. What am I? The answer is A, lobster. Why did JJ take a break from the BAU in the crime series Criminal Minds? The answer is B, she had a baby. Which ancient civilization built the Parthenon in Athens? The answer is C, Greeks. Lucille, the slightly psychotic science fair judge from the movie Meet the Robinsons, had invented a caffeine path that equaled how many cups of coffee each? The answer is B, 12. You can't stand without me, but I don't support your weight. What am I? The answer is C, door. Which element was not discovered at the University of California in Berkeley, CA, USA? The answer is A, Ib. Which item is used to erase mistakes made with a pencil? The answer is A, rubber. I divide and conquer, but never rule. What am I? The answer is A, computer program. What was the first fragrance released by Coco Chanel in 1921?